How to change your age on Facebook. Welcome back everyone to a new video of TechTube. Similar to most social media platforms, Facebook easily allows you to change your age or your birthday on Facebook. It does not complicate things and it always gives you access of changing your age or birthday on Facebook. So with that said, let's get right into the video. Open up your Facebook app, tap on your profile icon on the top left. Once you're on your profile section, you need to tap on edit profile and scroll down to the bottom, tap on edit your about info, and here under basic info you'll be able to see your gender and your date of birth. So just tap on edit and you can make changes to your date of birth. So you can change in the month, change in the day, and also change in the year. And once you do, you can see this statement which says I confirm that I am this years old. You can just check this box, and once you've done that, you can just tap on save on the bottom and your age on Facebook will be successfully changed. So that was a real quick process of changing your age on your Facebook account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this. I'm going to be back soon with more videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.